Amia Renee, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I installed these locks. So cute. So first let me show you the items that I used for this tutorial. The hair that I'm going to use was provided by Janet Collection. So let me show you the hair. This is their Nyla Tress collection. This is their Ghana Faux Locs, 12 inches, and the color 1B. And I used 7 packs of hair. The hair comes with 15 pieces in each pack. And that's the goddess look at the end of the lock, the little curly hairs. But what I do like about this is the curly hair is the same texture as the lock. My DIY whipped shea butter, and I use my DIY dandruff prevention oil. I'll leave the links to both of these videos in the description box below. For my edges, I use Style Factors Edge Control, also Style Factors gel, and of course, since it's crocheted, a crochet needle. This was a easy tutorial. It only took me about maybe an hour, 45 minutes, 2 hours. And I think it took that long because in the video I'm going to show you guys I had a little trouble with the individual part. Alright, so let me jump into this video. Show you guys how I installed these. Here I'm just showing you my braid pattern. I have 6 braids total. Now I'm just oiling my scalp with my DIY dandruff prevention oil. Again, the link to that video will be in the description box below. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I did the individual crochet in the front. First, I'm going to add my DIY whipped shea butter to my hair to make sure it's moisturized under this protective hairstyle. So I'm going to separate the section into 2. Then I'm going to grab the crochet needle and grab one part of that section and crochet the lock through. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing so you get a better understanding. Then I'm going to start braiding my hair like I would braid for a plaid or box braid. Braid it a couple times down. Then I'm going to split the hair and make a 2-strand twist all the way down to the end. And when I get to the end, I'm going to add my gel at the end, just to make sure the hair does not come apart so it can stay in place. Now you're going to grab the lock, unravel it a little and twist it around your hair all the way to the ends. until your hair is completely covered. I'm going to show you one more time just in case you didn't catch it the first time. This side of my hair is the front that I initially was going to do individual crochets all the way down here. But since I'm running out of hair, I decided to just do a couple in the front individual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now do 5 on this side. 5 in the front. And then just crochet hair on this side. But my dilemma is my hair is too long, so... Oh, okay. I think I know what I'm gonna do. Can I just crochet a piece of hair right here? Okay. Let's see if you can see. I'm gonna black shirt on. So at the end of this cornrow, right here, I'm going to crochet a lock on here. Let's see, follow me. All right. And can I wrap my hair around the... So as you can see, this was a complete epic fail. Look at So this piece of hair, I'm going to crochet it into my hair in the back somewhere. So now I'm getting happy because I redeemed myself. I figured out how to crochet the hair to make it look halfway decent. And it actually turned out really nice. I liked it. Yay to me. I saved the day as always. Here is the finished style. I really like it. Tell me what you guys think. I am proud of myself. I did a pretty good job for me to be a little confused for a moment. I came back strong. This is the shortest style I ever tried, which is 12 inches. I really like it. It's nice and short. Sometimes I don't want long hair. I want something a little different. As you can see. So it stops like right here with my little ponytail. If you have any questions about this style, any comments, leave them down below. I always read all my comments and try to respond to everybody. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.